Hey everybody, it's Megan. As always, I hope all of you are doing well. It's here. The Speedy 20 Damier Ebene has officially been released in the US anyways. I think the official launch date is tomorrow, which is when you guys will see this, June 30th. If you guys saw my last video, I told you that this is probably going to be the very best unboxing I do for the year 2023. I meant it. For the year 2022, that monogram Speedy 20 you see up there, that was definitely my best purchase. And you know what? That's saying a lot because I did get the side trunk and many other beautiful bags. So yes, it's saying a lot, you guys. Very, very excited. Before we get into it, I just wanted to briefly say thank you so very much for all of your kind comments on my last video. We all know there's a lot of negativity that goes on within this world, but I want to let you guys know that when I read your comments of support and kindness, it just goes to show that there are wonderful people in this world and you are them. Absolutely, you are. Sometimes you really don't know how much you can touch someone else's heart, but I gotta let you guys know you definitely touch mine, and for that I'm very, very thankful. I have the bag right in front of me right now. Before we get into it, gotta throw it out there. If you have not subscribed to my luxury community, I kindly invite you to do so by clicking on that subscribe button you see located right down there below on your screen. Also, by clicking that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, I have the bag right in front of me and I'm just in such a good mood. I can't even tell you guys. I think you can tell a little bit. So it does come in this box. And you know what, you guys? This unboxing is not like my other unboxings where you don't know what I'm going to unbox. You know what I'm unboxing and you know that I feel very strongly about it. Yes, I do. So I'm just happy to be able to do it. So let's get right into it. And while I'm doing this, I'll just mention I had to pull out my Speedy 20 in the monogram because she's very excited. She's getting a sister today, a fraternal twin sister. So anyways, here we have the dust bag. I don't even need to present her. I think she's very self-confident, you guys. I do. I always say with my other unboxings, they don't know how to be accepted, this, that, this. But she, I don't know, she's got this confidence, but it's a humble confidence, I must say. And here she is saying hello to all of you. Yes, I have a very active imagination, you guys. I do. I played with dolls a lot when I was growing up, as you can tell. But yes, here is the beautiful Speedy 20. Oh my gosh, I'm just over the moon about this bag. And let me just start off by telling you guys why. When the Speedy 20 monogram was released, I thought to myself, oh my goodness, this is just an amazing bag. So truth is, when this bag was released, I thought to myself, I love it so much, I want it in Damier Ebene. I just fell absolutely in love with this bag. And yeah, you guys, now she has her twin sister. So let me quickly go into the details of this bag. I'm also going to be including mod shots. I want this to be a thorough review, just in case you're interested in this bag. I want you to know all the details before investing. It's very, very important. First thing, the gold, beautiful, shiny hardware that will not tarnish. Double zipper that extends. Love the extended zipper. Why? Because as a lot of you guys know, when we want to get in and out of our bags, it makes it a lot easier when we have that little bit of extra room right there. And here are the beautiful Damier Ebene side tabs. Making our way into the bag, let me show you this beautiful strap. Now, this strap, as a lot of you guys know, can be considered very controversial. A lot of people just are not a big fan of these jacquard. I never pronounce it correctly, but you know what I mean. Straps. But you know what I love about this strap is the fact that it's very, very adjustable. And I love the fact that with this Damier Ebene canvas, it goes absolutely beautifully. Also, if you happen to own the monogram version of the Speedy 20, you can mix straps and definitely use it with this one, which I definitely will. I love the adjustable strap, and what I noticed, I tried it on immediately. How could I not? This strap is extremely adjustable, and I literally mean for every single height and stature, they did wonderful with this. You can make it very, very short, and you can make it very, very long, depending on how you'd like that. Now, you always have the option, if you'd like to use a different strap, say for example the one that comes with the Speedy 25 bandolier or any bandolier Speedy that's Damier Ebene. If you're interested in this Speedy 20 bag and you do not own a bandolier version of a different size and you don't have the strap, there's always the option to go on the Louis Vuitton website. They sell one on there. So I'll link that within the description box below. This is absolutely gorgeous, and the interior, I will just say, is identical to the monogram. Let me go ahead and take this out. It is a red interior, and I can never have it any other way. I feel that the red against Damier Ebene is absolutely stunning. Now, the interior does have a pocket right there, and we have a dust bag, which has the lock and key. And I just want to go ahead and show you guys, I'll just open this with you, how shiny it is. This is the beautiful, shiny hardware that I'm talking about. I love it. It doesn't tarnish. It's wonderful. Even the keys, they're so shiny. So I'll go ahead and put it on the bag now and officially break her in a little bit. As you guys can see, I did right here. And you know what? It just adds just that much more character to the bag with this shiny gold hardware. Absolutely beautiful. And this is the type of bag that really benefits. I'm not the biggest fan of Louis Vuitton charms. I use them sometimes, but it does look really pretty with a charm on it. Just accentuates it a little bit more, makes it pop. So let me go ahead and go in the other room. I want to do some mod shots with this bag. I'm very excited to do that with you guys. I'll be showing you over the shoulder, crossbody, and I'll also be using the strap to my Speedy 25 bandolier. And if I have another Damier Ebene strap, I can do that as well. So let's take this little cutie and go try her on. Yay! The time has come to do mod shots of this beautiful Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene. Oh, I'm so happy that I'm doing this. I'll be showing you guys this strap that it does come with. By the way, I cannot reiterate enough that I love the colorway that they chose for this strap. And I know it's a little bit controversial. A lot of people say there's just too much overload of this strap. But I say, if you're going to do it, I guess do it right. And they definitely did with these colors. So let me go ahead and show you what it does look like. Crossbody, I'll also be showing you guys what the strap to my Speedy 25 Damier Ebene looks like. So starting off, let's try this thing on. And just to know, I'm about 5'8", 135 pounds. So you guys, let me just say, I love the fact that it's fitting me at a length that I'm very comfortable with, and the fact that this is an adjustable strap. So if I want to make it higher, I can definitely do so. And if I want to let it hang low, I can definitely do that too. Now, because I'm on the taller side, this is a wonderful thing because it's really going to work for all heights and statures, as you guys can tell. So it's a beautiful bag up close. I'm loving the strap, as you guys can see. And I thought to myself, in case any of you guys are interested, what would a charm look like on this bag? Let's go ahead and dress her up just a little bit. Sometimes I like to do that with my bags. And yeah. How pretty is that? Now, another look that I love wearing with the Speedy 20, and I can say this based off of the experience with my monogram version, I love to wear that bag just over the shoulder. So let's go ahead and shorten this strap to see what this bag will look like over the shoulder. Again, you guys, I cannot say it enough. I just love the colors that they chose for this bag strap. So it does look like this, and I just think it gives off such a edgy, trendy, and might I say, it could be coming in the future, classic look for Louis Vuitton, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but that whole multi-pochette strap thing has just not gone out of style. It's just exasperated into a ton of bags. So I don't know. It could be a future classic, could not. But at the same time, it's very trendy, very cute, very classic just because it is a Speedy. Now let me go ahead and get my strap to my Speedy 25. Absolutely loving it, you guys. I just think it's so carefree, so cute, absolutely adorable. Let me grab my size 25 bag. I want to do a side-by-side comparison here. So here is the 20, here is the 25. It really does look like a big difference when I'm looking at it like this. Is it just me? So this time over the shoulder, I'm going to show it to you at a little bit of a longer length. This is the length that I'm very, very comfortable with, that I use with my Speedy 20 bag. And yeah, you guys, I just think it's absolutely amazing. The strap color with the Damier Ebene is absolutely beautiful. And another thing that I really love about this bag is the fact that it will go with so many casual outfits because of the neutral colors within this bag. So I am loving this bag, you guys, as a crossbody over the shoulder. And if I wanted to, of course, I could wear it as a little tote. Just cannot wait to wear this tote style like this. Just absolutely adorable. Crossbody over the shoulder. Love it. So the versatility is amazing. Love, love, love this Speedy 20. I hope this was helpful to you guys. That was just amazing. I had fun trying on different straps with the Speedy 20. And what I'm going to quickly do to make this a very thorough review of the Speedy 20 is show you exactly what fits in this bag. I pulled some items from the other room while I was in there. I pulled out my multi-pochettes. I put in a few cosmetics. Yes, I did. I randomly picked out my Game On zippy coin purse wallet. Love this, you guys. It's so, so cute. I don't think I could ever get rid of that. My toiletry 15, my sunglass case holder, and I put some sunglasses in there. You can see, here's the proof. And then also my 4-key holder along with a phone. So let's go ahead and try to fit all items inside. I'll start off with the Samsung flip phone. It's rather large. Also the toiletry 15. And then after that, I will do my mini pochette. Following that, I will do my sunglass case holder. And then I will do my zippy coin purse wallet. And I have room here, you guys. And lastly, I did show you my 4-key holder. So let's go ahead and see if all of these items fit in comfortably and zip up comfortably. Here we have all of the items inside. Let's see how this works. I like to make it a double zipper right in the middle because it just looks that much more cute. And yes, you guys, it does fit beautifully. So as you guys can tell, thoroughly impressed. The items fit in perfectly, and that's quite a few items for a small bag. I think you guys would agree with me on that. So I'm very impressed with this Speedy 20 Damier Ebene canvas. And I guess I'll just throw this out there, you guys. The reason why I do think this is the best bag that Louis Vuitton is releasing for 2023 is because of the classic history of the Speedy. Now, whether you're a Speedy fan or whether you're not, we all have to admit that the Speedy holds a very special place within the Louis Vuitton fashion house because it was originated by the key ball when Audrey Hepburn requested to Louis Vuitton that she wanted a purse made out of a keep ball, and that's how the Speedy came about. That was actually the Speedy 25. I don't necessarily love all pieces that Louis Vuitton releases, absolutely not. But with this one, yes, I think you guys can tell I'm over the moon about it. And I'm so excited, in fact, that I think somebody wants to share in the excitement. I hear my little bunny, and I think he's outside the door with my husband, and he wants to say hi. Let me just grab my baby. So this is Brownie, you guys. This is my baby bunny, and he wants to say hi. Yes, he has big feet, and he's just the sweetest little baby in the world. And yeah, he loves my bags very much. Right, Brownie? I love you so much. And yeah, I just don't let him near because he would nibble all day, every day if he could. So anyways, he wanted to say hi to you guys and give you guys a kissy. Honey, mwah. Good boy. Mwah. Okay, I'll give him back to my husband and I'll play with him right after this video is done. So yeah, you guys, I wanted to introduce him to you because he's a very special part of my life and he means a lot more than my bags, that's for sure. So anyways, you guys, any comments or questions on this beautiful Speedy 20 Damier Ebene canvas, please leave them in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this bag. Again, any comments or questions, greatly appreciated. I know I say it all the time. It's because I absolutely mean it. I love hearing from you. All right, you guys, now's the time within the video where I completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I'd like to go over a very powerful message, and that is the power of positivity. Randomly, a viral video popped into my YouTube shorts, and it was of a lady, and she was about 106, 107, and she was asked, what's your secret? How do you stay so happy and positive? Because she was very happy, she was very positive. And, you know, people were expecting her to say the diet, you know, exercise, all that kind of stuff. But she answered, positivity. She was going on about being positive and being around positive people and how energy is transferable and you don't want to be around negativity and how it really impacts you. And that really resonated with me. It made a lot of sense. And then before I knew it, I was seeing more of those YouTube shorts with people that were older, over the age of 95, 100 years old. And they were all mentioning that about being positive in their lives. In life, it's very easy to be more negative than it is to be more positive. That's why it's so crucial to stay so close to God, you guys, because when you do, you have His light in your spirit. It's pure positivity. If there's anything I could relay in this message that I really, really want you guys to internalize, is the power of positivity truly does come from our relationship with God. Like I said, He is pure light. He is pure goodness. When we're connected to Him, we feel that light, that goodness, that positivity in our souls, and we want to be good people. And really, there's no greater feeling than to be a good person on this earth. I definitely aspire to get better and better every day. I think that's another reason why we're here on planet Earth, is to evolve to become the best version of ourselves that we could possibly be. Life is just so short, and doesn't it only make sense that we want to enjoy the time that we have here? Well, the key to that is to be positive. And also, when you're positive, like I said, with those other people that are over 100 years old, you know, they're saying, if you live a very positive life, you'll live a very long life. You'll live a happy, long life. So positivity really is the key to everything. I say this because God wants you to hear it. He wants you to be happy in your life. And positivity is the way to get there. And to gain positivity, you need to be close to God. I've come to find it's pretty much a mathematical equation. When you choose positivity, it may be hard at first, but with practice, it gets easier. The closer you are to God every single day, oh boy, it gets a lot easier to have a positive mindset. The easiest way to connect with God is simply to talk to Him, you guys. It doesn't need to be some formal prayer or anything like that. Let Him know what's going on in your heart. He loves to hear from you. And He's always with you at all times, whether you can feel Him or whether you can't. And I can definitely say that He wants you to be happy. And I can definitely say, based on my past loved ones, that all of your past loved ones want you to be living the most positive, happy life you possibly can, as well as your guardian angels. There is a power in positivity. You have that power within you. It takes a little bit of practice if you're not used to it, but I guarantee you guys, you can get there. You simply deserve it. You deserve to be happy every single day. So let's all get into a habit of being more positive throughout the day, seeing the glass as half full rather than half empty. It can take practice, indeed it can. But with that practice will come exactly what you're looking for, and that is to be more positive in this life and to truly enjoy it to the fullest. The more you talk to God, the more light you're going to feel within your spirit. And the more light you feel within your spirit, the more positive you're going to be on a daily basis. So that is what I have to say on the topic of the power of positivity. If you happen to have any comments or questions on that topic, and or any comments or questions, oh my goodness, I forgot about you while I was speaking, but that's okay. It was a very important message. This beautiful Speedy 20, I love it so very much. And you know what? This just came to mind. I don't think I mentioned this, but this bag officially has exceeded my expectation. Do you know why? Because when I first heard about a Damier Ebene Speedy 20, I had no idea what the strap would look like. I had no idea if it was going to be adjustable. And given the fact, you know, that they gave a beautiful colorway like this to go with the Damier Ebene canvas, and given the fact that it is adjustable as well, very adjustable, I might add, yes, it's officially exceeded my expectations. So any comments or questions on this bag, any comments or questions on the message, greatly appreciated. I thank you guys so very much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm very excited about the next. Until then, you guys take care, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye.